happening, y'all? Rajiv here, health and wellness coach, plant-based chef here in the Portland area.
Today we're about to create a super simple and flavorful curried lentil and sweet potato salad featuring Plant Bomb's Caribbean pepper sauce. My goal as a plant-based chef is to create culturally relevant dishes that still honor our heritage with flavor, spices, and traditions, but it's actually nutritious for our bodies so that we can continue to protect our legacies. A great tip when you're cutting a vegetable that is round, cut a small slice off, making it flat, and then you flip it over, and now you have a more sturdy environment to cut versus something that's gonna roll around and be a little bit dangerous.
Now I'm gonna show you how to build that dish from the ground up and create that deep flavor. A little bit of oil in the pan, garlic. You're gonna start to smell fragrances build from the pan, and that's what we call them aromatics. We get that aroma. Grate some ginger. We're gonna toss in our lentils. We're gonna go in with some of our spices. A key tip is to toast your dry spices. That brings out the natural essences and flavors in those spices. We have some smoked paprika, curry powder, pinch of dried thyme. We're gonna go in with some low sodium vegetable broth so that we make sure we don't burn any of those garlic and spices in the pan. So we're gonna be tossing in a bay leaf, and a bay leaf might be small, but it's got big flavor. Season lightly with a little bit of sea salt. And because we've added such deep, rich flavors and we've built this dish up from the ground up, we don't have to add a lot of salt to flavor the dish. We're gonna fine dice some red onion, quarter some cherry tomatoes, quarter the poblano chili, and now we're gonna cut out the inside, the membrane, and the seeds. Gonna chop up some fresh cilantro. Be careful not to chop it too fine. We don't wanna bruise the herb.
As you can see, we have some flavorful ingredients that we're gonna add to the salad. These fresh ingredients is gonna add a nice textural contrast.
And last but not least, we're gonna go in with our Caribbean pepper sauce. Super versatile. You'll get a nice contrast of sweet and spice and some of those flavors of the islands, and it works great as a salad dressing. And the way I love to finish off most dishes is with a fresh squeeze of citrus. It just marries and brings out all the flavors. We're gonna gently toss everything. Smells really good. All those flavors are mixing together nicely. And there you have it. We've created a flavorful and nutritious dish highlighting some of the flavors of the Caribbean. Let's try this thing out. Get some sweet, some spice, some crunch. This is it. Y'all gotta try this.